Start your day with a burst of energy and nutrition by making these delicious protein-packed pancakes. Protein pancakes are not just any breakfast. They're fluffy, satisfying, and loaded with wholesome ingredients like oats, eggs, banana, and protein powder. Whether you need a quick meal after your workout or a nourishing start to your morning, this recipe has got you covered. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people swear by traditional pancakes for comfort, while others argue that protein pancakes are the future of healthy eating. Which side are you on? Let's dive into the recipe and see why these pancakes might just change your breakfast game. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of oats, finely ground into oat flour. This adds fiber and a gentle nutty flavor. 1 scoop of protein powder. Choose any flavor you like. Vanilla, chocolate, or even unflavored works great. 1 ripe banana, mashed. This natural sweetener also keeps the pancakes moist. 2 eggs for binding and extra protein. Half a teaspoon of baking powder to help the pancakes rise and become fluffy. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder for a warm, comforting spice note. Half a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based depending on your preference. Honey or peanut butter for serving, optional, but highly recommended for added taste and texture. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the oat flour, protein powder, baking powder, and cinnamon. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly to ensure even distribution of flavors and leavening agents. Step 2. Next, add the mashed banana, eggs, and milk to the dry mix. Stir everything until you get a smooth, consistent batter. The banana not only sweetens the batter naturally, but also helps keep the pancakes tender. Step 3. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Once hot, pour a ladleful of batter onto the pan. You can adjust the size depending on your preference, but medium-sized pancakes cook more evenly. Step 4. Cook the pancakes on one side until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges start to look set. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip carefully and cook the other side until it turns a beautiful golden brown and the pancake feels fluffy and cooked through. Step 5. Serve your warm protein pancakes immediately. Drizzle with honey, spread some peanut butter, or top with fresh fruits like berries or sliced bananas for an extra burst of flavor and nutrients. And this is the part most people miss. These pancakes are incredibly versatile. You can swap the protein powder flavor, add nuts or seeds for crunch, or even mix in some dark chocolate chips for a treat. The possibilities are endless. So, what do you think? Are protein pancakes a worthy replacement for your classic stack? Or do you believe traditional pancakes still reign supreme? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's get the breakfast debate sizzling.